Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get to the oil reset procedure. I just held this button down until I found settings. From there, you could hit OK. We're going to go down to vehicle info. And then we're going to hold it. And we'll keep going down. You can see the cursor on the right that goes down with it. Scheduled maintenance, oil maintenance. We're going to hit OK and hold it. So right now we're at 9,531 remaining, but I do want to reset it because we did the oil change. So now we have done the reset complete. Let's click this and see what it shows. So 9,999 is the default for the oil interval on the new Land Cruiser. We don't need to reset it since it's done. So now I'm just going to hit back and see. Let's see here. So when I toggled through to find settings and hit OK and held it, it leaves it there by default. So I'm going to hit OK again. Go all the way back up to blank. Hit OK. And we are back to normal. We'll go ahead and start it. There you go. 999 miles remaining on the oil service and 465 total miles on the vehicle.